The artifacts highlighted for Standard 2 demonstrate how I have practiced reflection to aid in effective implementation of educational technologies and processes based on contemporary content and pedagogy. I created several artifacts that demonstrate this standard in EdTech 506, Graphic Design for Learning. I created a unit of instruction for the novel Hatchet. Each of the graphics created were centered around reflective practice, getting feedback from teachers, classmates, and students about each design, its content, and how it would be implemented. In order to create these designs and learning materials, it was critical that the appropriate technologies were effectively utilized. When making these designs, content and pedagogy also had to be taken into consideration to make the best possible designs for my students and other teachers to use and learn from. In EdTech 542, Project-Based Learning, we had the opportunity to create our own project-based learning activity from scratch. Project Playground demonstrates managing appropriate technological processes and resources to provide supportive learning communities and demonstrates appropriate content pedagogy. Project Playground does this by making learning interdisciplinary and on multiple platforms. It also creates flexible and diverse learning by integrating multiple subjects and letting students choose what they want to incorporate or how they utilize the content skills. Throughout the project, students were working through Google Classroom and Google Apps independently as well as collaboratively and created a Padlet to organize their inspiration. As a result of this project, students created a 3D structure, computer animated design of their perfect playground and then presented their ideas to the school and community. This project was designed and developed with the most important learning principles and research-based best practices in mind. In EdTech 502, the Internet for Educators, we were able to create a mobile learning experience for our students that utilized cell phones in a positive way for learning. Teaching kids that we can learn from our personal devices and that learning can take place wherever they are is important. Activities like this one do just that. Not only did my activity teach kids about our state capitol and teach them this important lesson, it integrated a variety of different technological tools and processes, ultimately engaging my students in the learning and increasing performance outcomes. Throughout this program, I have had several opportunities to demonstrate my knowledge and skills surrounding AECT Standard 2. Because of this program, I feel as if I have become a better reflective creator and have been able to aid other teachers in reflective practices when integrating technology and creating learning experiences for their students. Ensuring that the appropriate content and pedagogy are taken into consideration when implementing educational technologies is an important skill that I have learned and used as a result of this program.